Etsy sellers don't want you to know about this, but I'm about to expose a tool that lets you track their sales, see their best products, and steal their blueprint. I hope you're ready for a life changing video that's going to take you to a completely new level in 7 days or less. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So, the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find out what's selling. I want to show you exactly how to find the hottest products on Etsy, and you can locate these Etsy sellers and what they are selling and what's making them tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to etsyhunt.pro. This is a very powerful software that allows you to track everything. So let me show you how this software works. I'm logged in right now. Let me click dashboard. After I get to the dashboard right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on find hot product. And since I'm focused on teaching you how to sell low ticket digital products, that's exactly what we're going to find right here using Etsy Hunt. Let me type in Canva templates right here. And let me click search. I want you to see how powerful this is. Let me grab my calculator real quick so I can calculate these sales that a lot of these Etsy sellers don't want you to know about. Okay, so the first product right here that we've located is a Canva Pro packet. It's Canva Pro templates. So they've sold total sales, they've sold 251 of them at $2.56. So let's do that math real quick. $2.56 times 251. So they've made $642 from a $2.56 item. That's not bad at all. That's really not bad at all. Let's scroll down. Let's find some bigger sales. Here go a person, $2.40, and they've sold 950 of them. So we'll do $2.40 times 950. They've made $2,280 with this product right here. Let's go down and we'll find some heavy hitters. Here go one right here. You can do the math on that. I mean, that's about $2, $1.94 times 4,494. Now imagine making $8,718 from an item that's not even $2. This is the power of using Etsy Hunt to track these sellers. So let's go down, let's look a little bit more. This tool right here will track every Etsy seller and every item that they've ever sold on the platform so you too can copy exactly what they're doing. Let's keep scrolling down to see if we can find anybody that's made more money than that. Let's scroll up and let's type printables. So those are Canva templates. We'll type printables. Okay, here go $4.50 times 1433. That's $6,400 this person have made. Let's scroll down. We'll see if we see any more. This made a whole lot. Here go right here. Look at this one right here. $10.75 times 1510. So that means sales they got total. So they've made $16,232 from this item right here. Let's check it out even further. Let's dig a little deeper. Okay, so these are the preschool worksheets. So that's what they're selling right here. Yeah, let's see. Solar system, busy book, outer space, learning binder, personalized. Okay, these are personalized. This is a personalized item right here. So if you don't want to get into personalizing items, you can just focus on just straight up printable stuff. Just right here, printable. Airbnb host bundle template. So just make sure these are printable items and you're not copying physical items because of course it's a lot harder to do. So let's go up right here to this first one right here. It's 40 printable Valentine's Day bundle, 40 sheets right here that people can just purchase and print off. That's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Fiverr. We'll head over to Fiverr real quick. And whenever you head to Fiverr, what you want to do is you want to type in something like Canva templates. After we get to Fiverr, as you can see, there are many people right here that will design Canva templates for you. I will design professional, editable Canva templates. I would design or edit any template or project in Canva. So here go your people right here. These are the people that you want to contact and purchase from if you want them to make you a copy of what you see selling on Etsy already. So what you want to do is you want to give them the exact link to the product itself. So if I click right here on this listing, I can just click right here and get the link. So all I gotta do is copy this link right here. I already know how much money they've made with it. I can just copy it. I can contact this person right here, contact me, and I can say, can you make me a similar or an exact copy of this product here? That's all you got to say. So what I've personally done before is I've told them before, if you don't want to make an exact copy of this product, at least make it 90% similar. So if you want to change a few things just to maybe not go against Fiverr's terms, which I don't even think that's in Fiverr's terms, but if it is, I just usually tell them that. Make it at least 90% exactly like this product right here. So whenever they create the product that you already know that's selling real hot, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and upload that product. You want to upload that product to your Etsy store. If you don't have an Etsy store, you want to create a brand new Etsy account and create your store, you know, fill out all your personal details and all of that, because what you are doing is you are building the ultimate store and getting ideas from different sellers that's already making a lot of money. So if I go over here to Etsy Hunt and I check out all of these products right here and I grab 5 or even 10 of these products right here to get copied over here at Fiverr, what I have right now is I have a store that's ready to make money day one. It's not guaranteed that you're going to instantly start making money day one, but let's say in 2 or 3 days you see a sale roll in, then you see 5 and 10 more sales roll in, and then you see more and more sales roll in. Now you can see how $1,000 in 7 days is not a hard thing, because if you look at these sales right here, this person right here, they've sold for $5.50. They sold 116 of these in the past 7 days. So 1,000 in 7 days is extremely simple. As long as you have the products to sell and you already see right here how to get them, the sky's truly the limit. So once you see exactly what's selling, and then you go over here to Fiverr and have the products created, and then you head to Etsy and launch your Etsy shop, the only thing you want to do after that is you want to give your products a $5 per day ad boost. And what this will do is this will allow you to hit the ground running. You don't have to focus on Etsy SEO for this strategy. If you want to hit the ground running, you do a $5 per day ad boost to every single one of the products that you had copied. So if you got 10 products, you'll be spending about $50 a day. But what if those products are making you $200 a day and you're spending $1,500 a month and making back $6,000? So that is truly the power of this strategy. And not only that, you can stop advertising once you get so many sales and reviews. Because after you get so many sales and reviews, what Etsy is going to do is Etsy is going to organically put your products in front of all of the people on Etsy that's searching for your product or related products, and of course have your product displayed beside those related products. So that's how this is going to work, and that's the power of this strategy right here. So if you are somebody that's struggling to make money online, struggling to make money on Etsy, or struggling to make any kind of money at all, this is a strategy right here that you can literally see results in under 7 days. And I challenge you to push it to $1,000 in 7 days, because as you can already see, that's very possible. So what you want to do right now is you want to go ahead again and implement this strategy. Don't wait a week. Don't wait 3 days. Do it right now. Start right now. And even if you only do 3 products, go ahead and get your Etsy shop fired up. Go ahead and get a few products sent over to somebody on Fiverr that will do this for you. Get those products created so you can go ahead and see those sales roll in like clockwork. I'm going to be sharing a lot more content about selling low ticket digital products. It doesn't matter if it's from your website, from Etsy, it can be from Amazon. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to focus on teaching you how to create, license, and sell low ticket digital products. So if that's what you want to learn, if these are the types of videos you want to see, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications because I'm launching Low Ticket CEO. I'm literally going to teach you how to become a low ticket CEO. So imagine making $100,000 a year or even an extra $50,000 a year selling $5, $10, $15 items. That's what you're going to be able to learn right here on my channel. Again, subscribe if you haven't yet. Comment below and let me know what you thought about this video, and I will catch you very soon in my next video.